Sai Ram. Today we will discuss very important lesson in the birth chart reading. That is the second house of the birth chart. Why I told second house is very important? It shows our wealth, our assets, our bank balance, our movable properties, immovable properties. All the wealth will come under second house. So naturally, everybody is interested to know what is their financial position, because it is necessary. Nowadays it is a competitive world. What are the precautions we have to take, what to do, which is better to us, all these things everybody will think. So, the knowledge regarding second house is very important to everybody. Regarding the calculations, how? First we have to see the lord of the second house, where it lies. The second house lord stays in the first house, it is good. He earns money, he becomes wealthy by his own way, by taking his own strength, without the support of any other people. He earns. It is good. If the second house lord is in the second house, that means the lord is in his own house. It is also very good. It gives good rewards. It gives good rewards. He gets money easily. He gets money like a water flow. It is good. If the second house lord stays in the third house means it is the house of supports. Supports means friends, brothers, sisters. And also it is a house for contacts. It is a house for communications. It is the house for communications. So, he earns money by good contacts, with the good communications, with the support of his brothers, sisters, and so on. If the second house lord stays in the third house, stays in the fourth house. Fourth house means his own family house, his mother house. It is also good. He gets wealth, money from his mother or from his house, or he gets support in earning by his mother or his house. So, the lord of the second house stays in the fourth house, it is also good. The lord of the second house stays in the fifth house, it is the house of creativity. It is the house of creativity. So, he earns money by creating something. Children will also come under creativity, because he created the children. So, he gets support from the children, he gets wealth, and the children give respect to him. Whatever he needs, they will give everything in his life. He gets from the children. And if the second house Lord stays in sixth house, it is not good. The wealth will disappear like sunset. The wealth makes problems. Wherever you keep, no use. So not good. If the second house Lord stays in the seventh house, seventh house is the house of partners, business partners, and his wife is also a permanent partner to him. So, by wife he gets money, by wife he gets advantage, and by him his wife gets advantage and gets money. In the same way, business partners, the business partners will get advantage by him and he will get advantage by them. So, usually it is helpful to each other. It is very nice. If the second Lord stays in the eighth house, it is also not good. It is also creates some problems. The wealth, the money goes to unnecessary things, for bad health, ill health, for hospital, or for some other things. It will become waste. So, if the second Lord stays in the eighth house, it is not good. If the second Lord stays in the ninth house, ninth house means it is the house of education. It is the house of long trips, foreign trips, and so on. So, he utilizes his amount, his wealth for long trips, for foreign trips, other country trips. He goes to other countries for training, for education, and so on. In turn, he gets benefit. In turn, he gets money, knowledge, certificates. So, it is also good. If the second house Lord stays in the 10th house, 10th house means it is the house of job. It is the house of earning livelihood. So, this second house Lord, wealth Lord stays there. He get wealth from his job or from whatever the work he is going to do, he does. From that he get advantage, he get profits, he make money, he will be wealthy. So, if the second Lord stays in the 10th house, it is very nice. If the second Lord stays in the 11th house, what is that 11th house? It is the house for Labha. It is the house for profit. So, this Lord is in that profit, wealth Lord is the profit. So, it is very nice combination. He gets money easily, like a water flows, he gets money without any strain. That's very good combination. And lastly, if the second Lord stays in the last house, that is 12th house, it is the house of loss. It is the last house and last house. Nashta. So, you loses money. Anywhere if he keeps the money, he will not get any profit. Easily he will lose. That is his stage. So, it is not good. So, by seeing Lord, we can calculate. And secondly, we have to see what are the planets in the second house. If good planets are there, it is nice. With bad planets like Ketu and Rahu, some problems. If Jupiter stays in the second house, Jupiter is for luck, for fortune, for education, for development. So, you get wealth easily without any strain. If Venus stays in the second house, Venus is for luck. Venus is for love. That person will be very much fond of money. He want money. He want to earn money somehow. He will be very fond of money. That is the Venus effect. And also Venus gives art, painting, drawing, music, magician. All these things will get by Venus. So he earns money by drawing, by art. By art, as an artist, he will earn money. As a musician, he will earn money. Nowadays, I think these silly people, CD, music directors, they are earning money. Probably they are having this Venus in the second house. If Mercury is in the second house, Mercury for trading, Mercury for business, Mercury for accounts, Mercury for mathematics, Mercury for writing. So, he earns money by writing, by trading, by doing business. For these people, business is very nice. They go to business. If they start a business, they will flourish. They will get good profits. And at the same time, I already told you, it is for writing. He writes stories, scripts, and in CD field or in other places, they will get more money by writing these stories and scripts. So, if the Mercury is in the second house, it is nice. They will earn easily. They will become intellectuals. Their calculations are very speedy. Within no time they will calculate. That is their brain because of the Mercury effect. If the Mars is in the second house, Mars, ambition, strength, aggression. So you start business, you take risk, and at the same time it will develop. He develops it. Speed is seen in earning money. And if moon is there, the financial position is not standard. It may go up or it will come down. Changes are seen like a moon. The moon stays in the second house. Financial position is not standard. It will change. It may go up or it may come down. If sun is there, it is also good. It will give wealth, it will give rewards, but it is a hard planet. We must take care. We must be so careful while investing or while doing. If the Saturn is in the second house, Saturn is a slow planet. It will create some troubles. But he will reach his target. Without Saturn, we cannot live. Saturn gives experience to us, gives education to us, how to live, how to face problems, how to face troubles, how to take strength to earn money. These are the things we will get from the Saturn. Saturn means what work we have to earn. That is good. In this way, we have to see what are the planets are in the second house and the lord of the second house, where it lies. I told you regarding the positions and its benefits, but this will not come to everybody. This again depends on other things. If the planet is with his friend, it gives rewards. If it is alone, it gives rewards. If it is with its enemy, this will lose its power, that another planet that will also lose its power. So, whether that planet is lying singly or with enemy or with friend, what to say. And there are other houses, there are 12 houses I told. Other planets will see these planets in the second house. From 7th house they will see in 180 degrees. In other houses, from other houses, they see accordingly. The aspect from the 7th house is very powerful. If a bad planet sees from a second house, this planet loses its power. If the bad planet sees from the 4th house, some extent it loses its power. If it sees from the 10th house, some extent it loses its power. If a good planet sees from 180 degrees from 7th house, this second house planet will get more benefit. It gives good rewards. And one more thing you have to say, whether the planets in the second house are exalted or debilitated. The planet in the second house are exalted, that is called Vatsa. It gives very nice rewards. The native get more benefit. The planet is in its Nicha position, in its debilitated position. It will not give any support, any reward. Moreover, it may give some troubles. So, there are the certain things. So, we have to see, calculate, take into consideration all these things while reading the birth chart. And this second house Lord stays in the lifetime in Gochara. When it comes at that time, he will get rewards. He will get good money. So all these things we have to see while calculating. Thank you.